Hi guys, so welcome back again. In this video I'll be showing you one of the very important strategy on how you can be able to get your first 1000 subscribers. So if you're a small creator and you've been struggling on how to get your 1000 subscribers, yes, because you need 1000 subscribers and 4000 watch hours for you to hit monetization. So I will be giving you guys the tips on how you can get your very first 1000 subscribers. So do well to stay from the beginning of this video to the end of this video. Like, comment, and as well share to many creators out there who are struggling to get their very first 1000 subscribers. So let's go to www.youtubestudio.com. Let's go right there. So guys, you enter www.youtube.com, okay, on your Chrome or any of your browser. If you're using an iPhone, you're going to enter your Safari. Then after that, you click on your picture, you go to your account, you click on account settings. Then it will take you down to advanced settings. The advanced settings that is down. After you let it load, you click on your advanced settings. Now they have two URL. They have the usual URL and they also have the channel ID. Usual ID and channel ID. You look for your usual ID. Your usual ID is very important. You click on your usual ID. That is what we're going to be using on this video, the usual ID. After clicking on it, you copy it, then you take your usual ID. After copying your usual ID, you take your usual ID and go to your one of your videos. Yes, one of your videos. After you go to one of your videos, you then input www.youtube.com/channel and you put that ID that you have down there. You put it on your description. Very important. You select one of your videos, like I said before, you put it on your description. Once you put it on your description, you in kind of also take that the same URL, place it on your comment section and pin it on your comment section. Very important. After you have put it down on your description, make sure you as well place it on your comment section, so that people who comes to your videos or viewers who click on your description, they can as well subscribe. Somebody can click on that your URL, and once the person click on your URL, the person can be able to subscribe to your channel. Okay, and down to your comment section, because I believe there will be viewers who will be leaving some comments. You have to subscribe to my channel, click on the link, you leave that link on your comment section and pin it up on your comment section. People who also see your videos, like people who comment on your comment section, can as well go and check your videos, and once they click on that link, the main aim is to get your 1000 subscribers. Immediately they click on that link, guys, they can be able to subscribe on your channel. They can as well watch other of your videos. It is very guys, if you find this video very much informative, very educating, do well to subscribe on this channel, like, comment, and share this video to many other content creators, small content creators. And also I'll be leaving another strategy on how you can be able to get your 1000 subscribers. Again, another strategy. So do well to subscribe so you don't miss out on these tips on how you can as well grow your YouTube channel. Welcome to MercyBenVlogs, where lifestyle and teaching of YouTube tips on how to grow on this red app can be able to help you as a small creator to get your first 1000 subscriber.